do is what's called a knitted cast on. I like this because it teaches you the knitting stitch as you're getting started. So we get some like immediate dopamine hits and progress as we're getting started. So how we're going to do this is you always hold the existing yarn and needle in your left hand for right-handed knitters. You hold it in your left hand here, and we're going to be creating new stitches with our right hand. So when we are knitting, we want to go in from the bottom front and out and up in the back. Okay, so in from the bottom, up and out, so we make an X. Then from that X, we're going to take our yarn that's hanging down. You see this guy here? We're going to come up between the two needles and over the back of the right hand needle. And what we're going to do is we're going to pinch it tight there, because then we're going to do this really fun trick of trying to back this out. So you'll see there's a little bit of space here, and we're going to take our right needle, whoops, went off camera. We're going to take our right needle, and we're going to go back down through that space. So we caught that loop. Man, I keep moving it. We caught that loop on our right needle. We take it back down through that space. So now we have a loop on our left and a loop on our right. And so for casting on, we're going to then just move that loop from our right needle to our left. Okay, so now we have 2 stitches. So now we're going to cast on another one. So let's do this again. So we're going to go from the bottom up and out the back. We're going to take our yarn up between the 2 needles and over the back of the right. And then we're going to hold it against the right needle here a little snugly. And then we're going to take the tip of the right needle. We're going to guide it with our left pointer finger back down and out the way it came. See? So now it caught this loop. And now we have 3 loops. So we're going to do that again. So up through the front, out through the back. Bring this yarn up between our 2 needles, over the back. Hold it a little snug with our right finger. Push our needle back out with our left pointer finger. Pull it through, and then just move the loop to the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast on about 15 of these, and then we'll come back and I will show you how we then move on to knitting our first row.